Hello and welcome to CNBC TV 18's Future Female Forward. I'm Zenia Baria, and as we enter into the third season, we put the spotlight on women and their relentless journey towards success and leadership in the workspace. Joining us today, we have with us India's first Olympic badminton champion, Saina Nehwal, who has recently become an investor and brand ambassador for the startup Narika. Along with her, we have the founder of Narika, Shruti Chand. Many thanks for joining the show today. Welcome to CNBC TV 18. How are you all doing?
Good, good. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Shruti, I would like to start by asking you, what made you, come across the idea of starting Narika? What was the vision behind it? And, tell us the entire story.
Of course. So I think it was a mixture of what I wanted to do and what I strongly felt about. 50 crore women in India are menstruating every year. We are the young population. And yet only 50% of women have access to safe period care.
Right.
And that is something that really started bothering me when I was living in Paris with a good life and good access to products, and really motivated me to come back to India and do something for Indian Naris. And that is when period underwear as a product really was born.
But why period underwear? Like, usually people go with sanitary pads. People are moving towards period panties.
So
How is it different from a sanitary pad versus, a period panty? Like, why would someone choose that?
So when I came to know this fact that the first pad that was ever created and worn is still in the environment, made me realize that it takes 800 years for a pad to decompose. So I wanted to build something that is good for you and good for the environment, because that's the future. And that is how period underwear as a product can actually solve for women who don't have access to pads, as well as something that can be good for the environment.
Absolutely. I'd like to move on to Saina. Saina, tell us about why you have decided to associate yourself with Narika. What was the research or the pitch that resonated with you that, you wanted to go ahead and choose this particular brand?
I think it's, when I started badminton, and when I started winning so many titles and so many young boys and girls started following me, and I should feel so proud कि एक लड़की विदेश के लिए अच्छा कर रही है. सब लोग ऐसा बोलते थे. And अभी भी बोलते हैं कि हम अपने देश को इतना proud करते हैं. So to associate with such kind of a brand where actually so many girls want to play sports now. So many girls go to offices now. They have become so confident, so strong that these things should not really bother them in any way. When you're playing for so many hours, when you're working for so many hours, sometimes it gets difficult to continue with the same pad. Sometimes you have to keep changing it. It's not so easy for a girl to in between the practice session, you have to just go and change it, but you feel you're sweating a lot more, and it gets so difficult to continue. Then again go and change, and then again start practicing. So it's a little bit difficult, and I think Narika in that way, coming out with an underwear like that, you can continue for long period of time and don't really have to worry about changing it.
For how many hours would that
How
be?
many hours? Like you can maybe 4-5 hours. When I tried in my gym and a little bit playing session, so at least for 4-5 hours I was quite confident. Of course, you're sweating so much, you have to go and change and again go to the next session. But I think so many girls go to offices, they don't really have to worry about, we have to keep changing it or worry about these things. But I feel, people talk less about it.
Yeah.
Even bachpan mein, when I started playing, so my mom used to tell me, ठीक है, pad लगा के आप खेल लो. And this is what we actually have the conversation with parents, And teachers के साथ उतना होता भी नहीं है school में. तो parents से थोड़ा बहुत मम्मी बताती हैं. And then that's how I continued, and of course knowledge was little less at that point of time. And now I was so happy to understand from Shruti that we can do much more for girls and come out with such good product that you can use it for longer hours, and you can also reuse it.
Yeah.
So it's wonderful, why not for, and I love to associate it with something like that, which is very useful for girls and which can make girls even more confident. So I think I'm blessed in a way to be associated with such a great brand, very innovative.
I'm sure there are other MNCs, okay, who also have period panties. So how do you all plan on being in the competition? Is it a price structure? What is it priced at? Is it, easily accessible and feasible for a woman to buy that versus, the other brands that are there out in the market?
For sure. So when I started Narika, I wanted to make sure that we are not focusing on a customer just as a customer. We really wanted to go deeper and speak to every customer. For instance, our operation manager still talks to every order that we get. And with that kind of focus, what we are able to do is that we have a personal relationship with every customer that we are associated with, which has allowed us to have a product that is really made for Indian body types. So when it comes to multinational companies, that's the thing I think where we can actually differentiate, that we can develop products based on what our customers are saying. In fact, in the last 1 year, they'd had 6 iterations of the same product. So you can imagine that that conversation and that feedback loop has made us build something that is for Nari and by Nari. And that's how we.
And what about the pricing? What is it priced as compared to the other brands that are there out in the market?
So, in fact, very surprising to most of our consumers who just hear about us, our cost to the customer is actually lower than that of pads to a customer. So, if you think about it, an average that is spent by a woman on pads in a year is actually more than what they would end up spending if they switch to period underwears. So, definitely a price advantage for sure. And of course, not to mention environmentally as well.
Definitely. So what is the cost of one period panty versus, a sanitary pad, if you can give us a gist?
Sure. So, at an average, a woman who's using a decent brand in the market, they would be ending up spending somewhere around 2,000 to 2,300 rupees a year. And if you go with the D2C brands that are there in the market that are biodegradable, it could go up to more than 5,000 rupees in a year. Whereas for Narika, all you got to do is spend 1,800 rupees to have a pack of free, and you're good to go for all your period sessions.
What about expansion plans? Is it, are you planning to expand? Are you going to have like a flagship store soon? What is the expansion plan going to be ahead?
So for us, talking to the customer is the most important.
Yeah.
Our customer focus, whatever a customer tells us is what we're going to do. So I think stores is definitely not we are planning in the near future, but we don't say no to any opportunity. But what we are actually focusing on is to educate. For us, what is very important.
Education is important, definitely.
Yeah, and honestly, reaching thousands and lakhs of women is what our focus is. And with our association with Saina Man, for instance, we plan to actually go to 2 tier, 3 tier, 4 tier cities to be able to make every Nari have a Narika.
That's
That
great.
is our goal.
Oh, wow. That's great. So any cities that you can name in which it's going to be expanding to?
More I think in Bangalore and Hyderabad. Yeah. So I think Bangalore, Hyderabad, I think she's starting with, and which is very, like, I feel it's something like along with the underwear, you're just trying to teach a lot more people. With the social media, I think she's doing a fantastic job, and all the brands who are coming out with such innovative idea. I mean, hats off to them to actually start educating, the girls.
That's true.
In their early years, and I'm sure they're going to learn a lot more and understand why we have to use these new underwears and how it is going to help us in the long run.
Yeah, it's clearly a shift now from sanitary pads that often create rashes and burning and all of that. So I think that would be a great.
I forgot to mention that, when you play also, you're sweating so much. So a lot of rashes happen. So of course, you can't discuss it much with anyone, and you have to deal with it and just train hard, practice hard, to win. But the only person you can express it to is your mom, and it's not easy when you're going to tournaments and all. But yeah, then cream comes out for a solution. You apply cream and then start again. But I know this is going to be fantastic for all the girls to just be not thinking about much about all these issues, and just to think about how to carry on with your career and do well. Yeah.
And just to add on to that, we in fact go to a lot of mothers. So we've expanded to a lot of schools actually. That we call the mothers who come and have our sessions attended, which is not just speaking about this topic of period underwears or pads, but actually educating them about sustainable menstruation. Because Narika is all about making women more empowered. And that cannot happen without a holistic approach towards education. So beyond the product, we are actually trying to drive this movement of sustainability in menstruation. And that is also something I will.
So Saina, as you rightly said that, menstruation is often considered as taboo. Can you share an instance back in the day when, you faced a really hard time because of you being on your period and not being able to, deliver your best time? best?
I think yeah, definitely now as I've grown up and I understand more about it. Initially, when I was fifth, sixth standard, when I actually started having the periods, so that is when it was a little difficult because I started playing badminton and I was like I have to train really hard, I have to give tough competition to the boys because लड़कियां थोड़ी कम होती थी वो time पे, and I used to feel that my mom wants to be me to be an Olympic champion and I have to better give tough competition to all these boys. So suddenly one day, I would like, start ho period start ho gaya, and then I didn't know about it. What is this? Because initial before, you get this, nobody is going to tell you about it. That's what I a little bit, I worry about it because if someone is there telling you before, it happens to you, then obviously you have it in your mind. You're prepared enough what to do. It's not about what you are using, but girls go through very difficult moments physically. It's not that only about what you're using, about your health, about your body pains, about mentally how irritated you are sometimes, and you have to play those tough matches and you have to win the finals, and all these things are going in your mind. So I think all this education is not only about what you're going to use, but what actually is periods. I think that has to come maybe from parents or maybe from teachers. Yeah, initially for the girls, before having periods. So I think this education will help them to be prepared for the tough, few days which we have in the month. But I just want to tell the girls out there, be strong, be mentally strong. There are many ways to get your pains down as well by doing a lot of yoga, stretching, and then by doing little bit of workout. It's always very good to do workout to feel little bit free with the body. Otherwise, you will definitely feel stiff. You will have stiff back. You will have stiff legs. You will definitely, because of that, you will have very angry mind. So I just feel if you're doing all these things very well, eating right, to get less inflammation in the body. So these things will really help the periods pain also reduce a lot more. So I think this knowledge about good nutrition, good fitness, and then comes obviously about the product what you have to use and how careful you have to be. And with Narika coming in, I think the younger generation is going to be really, I think they're going to really understand what it is. And along with Narika, there's so many other brands who are coming in. I think I congratulate all of them to send this ideas with social media. I think thanks to social media as well to come out. All young girls are there. They're going to see these nice reels and videos and understand a lot more about periods. So I think now the education is become a little bit more easier in that way. But I think initially, if parents and teachers come in little bit more earlier and tell about these things to the girls when they're younger, so I think they can be a little bit prepared about what is going to happen, how you have to take care, and overall health is also you have to maintain, and generally for your well-being. Yeah.
Yeah, and if I may add, 71% of Indian girls don't know about periods before they get it.
Yes.
Which
yes.
is exactly
Even I was not. I was writing my exams, and I was so surprised. And suddenly, what is this? Did I hurt myself? And my father was there. He used to take me to sessions after the school.
Right.
And I couldn't tell him because I was like, did I hurt somewhere? But I don't feel. I don't feel that much. So. And I came home, and that is when I think Papa, sent a message to Mom. Go see, I think she's on her periods, and that is when Mom told me that you have to start using it. So
that's exactly why we speak to mothers and teachers, and we encourage them to use Naruka even because there's a massive increase in period anxiety in school students because they are very image conscious. So they are constantly feeling the fear of staining, and that can be very scary for a 10-year-old.
come on.
And what
In the fifth standard, what do you know about? It's very tough.
And it's also very erratic. Yes, SCH. Erratic meaning you might get periods this month and not get it the next month.
It takes a while.
With that, when you wear an underwear, if you get it, it's okay. If you don't, it's okay. So that's one of the things that we also speak to mothers about. That tell them and let them have choices to use the right products. That's
Right.
okay. Yeah.
Female-led businesses often face biasness. So tell us about your startup journey in terms of funding and investments.
So I think funding and investment is something for me that has happened with Saina ma'am. So my experience is slightly different than what of the other founders out there. But I think for a founder, purpose should come above investment. So if as a founder, whether you're a girl or a boy, if you're building a purposeful mission with the right set of operational know-how as well as a team that can execute that purpose for you, and you have your calling, and as a founder, I don't think anybody can stop you from getting funded. Of course, having said that, there are less women startups funded, but I think that's where the social media is changing the game, right? I reached out to ma'am and we spoke about it, and I think she was a walking, talking
And
Narika.
how can you not support such a noble cause? It's a beautiful thing for all the girls out there. And I always come in and support for all these things. Before Narika, also I was always supportive in whichever way I could. Help little bit to anything. I'm always there. So I loved it. The moment she told me about the product, and she was so much like I have to tell all the girls out to be out there to be strong, to be confident. I liked her.
Oh, nice.
I like their attitude about it, so that's lovely. Yeah.
And that's what, right? So if we look at the Pandane ecosystem, I think it's changing. You can get believers, and that's what we tell ourselves internally, that we don't want an investor, we want a believer. And that is what we found inside us.
So, what would that one advice be to women entrepreneurs who are, starting up their business?
Oh, I think just go all out. You don't have to really worry about anything nowadays. Girls are winning Olympic medals. Girls are everywhere. Girls, what we cannot do. There's not a single thing which we can't do. तो कहीं भी setback होना या हम नहीं कर सकते हैं, this attitude is, I think, these girls don't know nowadays. We are all very, very strong, very confident, and I'm sure we can do anything. Yeah.
And I think women are really willing to support each other in today's era, right? I love that energy. I don't think it was there before when my mother was growing up, for example. So I think that support can actually be an accelerator.
Now that you have retired, you have invested in a restaurant business. Now you've also moved into sanitary pads and, for uplifting women. Are there any more other investments in the pipeline? What do we expect? What does our audience expect in terms of what they can, see you in?
I think I was always interested in coming out with this, business mein aana hai and all that. And I had 2 restaurants. Maybe 3-4 years back, I started them, but I never spoke openly about it. But yes, as you have asked me this question, I have this 2 outlets in Hyderabad, Cock and Bull, and we are coming up with one more, Jolly and Bros.
Oh, that's
So 3 restaurants in Hyderabad, and then I have also invested in one clothing brand called Kaira. That's also a Hyderabad brand.
So anything outside of Hyderabad, or everything's going to be planned within Hyderabad?
For right now, everything in Hyderabad, because I'm here and easy to check on these things. And now outside Hyderabad, Narika,
Absolutely.
so I've associated with them now. So let us see in the future, maybe some good ideas. And
Is it going to be with your husband, or it's going to be you riding solo?
oh, I think he's very busy with coaching. He's coaching now, so I think he doesn't have time to actually put in some time in the business. But he'll definitely want to join in or maybe invest a little bit. But his full love is for badminton, and he wants to produce more champions. He's there giving 8 to 10 hours to the young kids, and I hope he achieves great in that. But for me, I just love the business idea so much, and why not more restaurants, more such more Narikas and such more clothing brands. I would love to do that.
That's great. That's great. So one last question before I let you guys go. Can you tell us about what your financial mantra is? Is it something that you look into personally, your investments and all of that? Or is it someone else that takes care of it?
Initially, yes, Papa. Papa used to take care of it, and I was so busy with my career that I didn't have so much of time to see bank पे कितना भी पैसा है या क्या है. I should not even ask. पैसा आता है, it will come with the fame. It will come when you do well. It will definitely come. But I think first I want to tell this: don't forget what you are because you have that much money. You have achieved that because of your gain. You have achieved that because you have reached that level. Yes, थोड़ा सा attitude दिखा दो, थोड़े कपड़े खरीद लो, try to show off. That's fine, that's all okay. But always keep it in mind when you are serving, when you're doing well in your field, you are giving 100% there, and you always come out with good results, because that is the only thing which will satisfy you. Money is there, money will be there, and आपको अगर आप को लगता है कि आपने बहुत achieve कर लिया, मेरे पास बहुत पैसा है, after 1-2 years you will feel what you're missing. So always make sure what you love, you do that first, and money will come with that. And then right, idea of investing is something which if I tell मेरे लिए वो work किया होगा, but I don't know किसके लिए क्या work करेगा, and I don't want to tell कि ये कर लो तो आपको definitely वो आ ही जाएगा. So I think for me what really worked was when I got the money, when I was earning well at that point of time, when I was world number one. पापा ने initially, because he's a government employee, he was like अपना घर होना ज़रूरी है, अपना घर ज़रूर रखो initially. तो मैंने पापा की बात सुन के हाँ पापा एक घर ले लेते हैं. तो दैट इज़ व्हाट आई डिड. एंड उसके बाद और एक घर लिया. फिर देन आई वाज लाइक पापा एक कार चाहिए मुझे. आई फील एज अ 21-22-year-old, आई यूज्ड टू फील कि सबके पास अच्छी कार है एंड ऑल दैट. सो आई जस्ट टुक वन कार फॉर माई सेल्फ एंड आई वाज लाइक येस आई एम हैप्पी नाउ, लेट्स सी व्हाट आई डू नेक्स्ट. तो उसके बाद फिर से करियर का चल रहा था अब, एंड आई डिडंट रियली थिंक अबाउट क्या आ रहा है क्या जा रहा है. एंड देन आई वाज लाइक पापा बिजनेस में इन्वेस्ट करना है, आई वांट अ रेस्टोरेंट एंड ऑल दैट. सो इन द मीनवाइल ऑब्वियसली विद हिज आइडिया ही वाज पुटिंग इन सम म्यूचुअल फंड्स या कुछ बैंक में जो फंड्स होते हैं उसमें पापा करते जा रहे थे जो उनके आइडिया थे. एंड मैं बीच बीच में अपना थोड़ा सा जो मेरा इंटरेस्ट है वो टेलिंग हिम पापा ये करना है वो करना है. एंड देन थोड़ा सा ऐसे ग्रो होते गया. फिर और एक घर लिया, फिर जैसे और एक गाड़ी ले लिया. तो देन एवरीथिंग बिकम्स ईजियर व्हेन यू हैव ऑब्वियसली द मनी कमिंग इन. देन यू कैन अगर है आपके पास एडवांस में तो आप लगा भी सकते हैं जहाँ पे आपकी इच्छा है थोड़ा. सो इफ़ यू हैव लिमिटेड अमाउंट देन आई थिंक फर्स्ट आपका घर तो होना ही ज़रूरी है. इफ अगर आपका घर है तो देन यू ऑल्सो फील सेटिस्फाइड कि आपके पास आपका प्रॉपर्टी है. एंड देन आफ्टर दैट इफ द मनी इज़ कमिंग इन मोर देन आई एम श्योर नाउडेज इतना स्टॉक में आ गया है, फंड्स आ गए हैं, देयर इज लॉट मोर आइडियाज़ कमिंग इन. एंड इतने सारे एडवाइजर्स भी हैं आजकल, एंड थैंक्स टू सोशल मीडिया अगेन दे हैव सो मेनी एडवाइजर्स एज वेल. एंड आई थिंक यू कैन फॉलो गुड एडवाइज़र. आपको एडवाइस देने वाले भी काफ़ी लोग रहेंगे, बट मेक श्योर दैट यू टेक द राइट एडवाइस एंड रिसर्च ऑन इट. रिसर्च कीजिए, अपने फ्रेंड से बात कीजिए, एंड जल्दी में किसी चीज़ को जल्दीबाजी में कोई चीज़ ना करें. तो आई थिंक इट विल रियली हेल्प यू स्टे स्ट्रांग विद योर फाइनेंशियल कंडीशन. अदरवाइज आई हैव सीन मेनी पीपल जो मेरे साथ ही थे, तो दे जस्ट टुक सम डिसीजंस लाइक थोड़ा सा जल्दी में कर लेंगे एंड इट डिडंट रियली वर्क आउट. सो ऑलवेज रिसर्च इट, टॉक टू गुड एडवाइजर्स, टॉक टू योर पेरेंट्स, एंड फाइनली व्हेन यू फील सेटिस्फाइड एंड आई थिंक दैट्स व्हेन यू कैन इन्वेस्ट. एंड आई एम श्योर फिर तो you will have knowledge how to invest in a right way. So this is the only, I think, mantra I can give. Otherwise, everyone has different style of earning money. You should just go with the confidence and जो आपका दिल बोलता है आप कीजिए.
Absolutely. So I think we've got so many great answers from you guys. It was really nice for you all to join us on this edition of Future Female Forward. Thank you so much.
Right.